Hello guys, so Remedy here. There is a very serious cPanel bug that hackers are now exploiting. Like the exploit is widespread, it's going crazy. People are losing money due to this thing. Hackers are actively exploiting a bug in cPanel used by millions of websites. There's a security bug. They call it whether CVE 2026 41940. Now, what is the bug? The bug, hackers now have access to full control of cPanel with this bug. They don't need admin. They don't need what's it called? Password or username to log into any cPanel. They can get full control of any cPanel because of this bug. It's a malicious this thing that hackers use to gain access. Though some hosting companies have now updated their patch because cPanel is a company that's used for management of web servers. So they have WHM and their cPanel web control. So they've getting an adversary and they updated this thing, but it exposed a whole lot of issue. Now, coming for us that uses this Laravel script to create websites, there is a very serious loophole that it has created for this our scripts. You know, normally when we host the script you guys buy, you guys buy scripts with where the app key is always the same. Look at this thing. This thing you see here is called app key. Now this thing now is a very serious bug now that user even though you are not hosted in cPanel, you are hosted in hPanel or you are hosted in web direct panel. Because of the exposure of this thing now, these people now these attackers can gain access to your admin because of the exposure of this app key. This app key, what it does is that it used to create cookies session for any login that happens on the website. So once they get access to this app key now, they can use it to create section. Look at this app key, a session forgery attack. Laravel uses app key to encrypt sign all session cookies in. So attackers who get access to app key can decrypt your own session or cookie as a regular user or even without an account. Modify session data, example, change user ID in admin table or flag admin flags. So they can encrypt it and gain access to your admin. So for this problem, this is everybody needs to do this thing, because very soon now some people will now start coming and say there's a backdoor. I don't have any backdoor on my script. This thing I want to teach you now, you need to do it. It's very mandatory that everybody that uses my script or Laravel script do it, especially investment script, because they don't have any use for other scripts, especially investment script. That's where money target. So they change payment page or change wallet address. If you don't do this thing, I will not be liable if you lose your funds. You need to go and do this thing, and also tell your clients to always check their payment page and their wallet address before they send money, because I will not be held liable for any loss of funds if eventually someone loses funds, because this one is beyond me currently. So you need to do this thing and tell your client to always check their web payment page, and if possible, they should stop collecting money from the payment page and they should use the other way around, because the major target of these hackers they are not targeting banking, because banking is through contact email they can get money. They are not targeting. So what you need to do now, let me show you what you need to do. There is what I created what is called Re-key. It's going to change the key so that the key will be different, because the key has leaked. This key has leaked, even though it has not leaked. Many people are using the same key for the same Laravel distance. So anybody that has access to this key can forge cookie and enter into your admin and change your wallet. So what you need to do is, I will add a link where you can download it on my comment section on the description below. I'll add a link. If you click on the link, you download it. I'll still put it on my groups, all the groups I have, and I will still put it. So let's upload. There's what I've created. It's called app key. This key, what this thing does is to rekey. This is the app key, rekey.php. If you just get it, upload it in all your investment scripts, especially investment script, Just get it, upload it, all your investment scripts. What you do if you upload it, like as I've uploaded it to this PROs SBR boot.trading, what I will do is I will go to /rekey.php. all right. If I go to the rekey.php, it will take me to this thing. Yes, regenerate app key for me. It will create a new app key so that it will not be the same like the ones that I've leaked. So that even though the ones that I've leaked, if they try to use it to forge cookie for your website, it will not work because you will now have a new app key. Click on regenerate app key. It has been regenerated. All right. So a new app key has been created for this guy. A new app key has been created for this guy. So if you open it, a new app key has been created. It's no longer the same as it was before. A new app key has been created. All right. So even though this one leaked, if it's this one that the general public are using, even though this one leaked, the app key that will be generating forgery this thing for you for section and cookie will be different. So even though they want to use that one to forge at cookie and have access to your cPanel, they can't use it. This thing was not like, because of the advance of AI, people now know that this thing, they can use this thing to get forged cookie and enter into someone's website. So if this thing leaks now, is a very big issue. Another thing is that you should always make sure that app debug is false. App debug should always be false in your cPanel, please. It's very, very important. App debug should always be false so that it doesn't, because if it's false, if you open your site, it will leak all these things in both the database, both the app key. Another one you need to do is to make sure that .env has permission 600. If you right click on it, make sure that .env has permission 600. Look at it, 600. Just this is the permission you need, 600. Owners can read, owner can write. Group can only read. Group cannot even read it. They cannot execute or they cannot write on it. So outside people, public should not be able to see this .env because it's a very, very critical file. So it should be 600. They should not be able to read it. You understand? It's very, very sensitive. This thing I'm saying now is everybody should just go and do this thing. Rekey. Just upload. Let me do it again. Upload Rekey. I'm going to add the link in my description below so that you can go and update it yourself. Just upload Rekey now. Once you upload Rekey, you visit your website again. Visit your website. Your website URL rekey.php. Rekey.php, REKY.php. If you visit it, it will show you a page like this. It will show you a page. This will log out all logged in user in case it has logged out. If there is an attacker, it will destroy it. So click on yes, regenerate app. It will create a new key, including any attacker that is logged in will be logged out. All right, go and do this thing now. I will not be held responsible if you lose funds. There's no backdoors in my script. For those that don't know, what I use in creating my script is majorly online trader that I bought from Code Kayon, and I have screened it. There's no backdoor in it. That's what I use in. If you look at the back end, you see that it's online trader, and the front end, maybe I use Tailwind CSS and add all the features that it has. There's no backdoor I left in the script. In case you lose fund and said that Remedy has added backdoor in the script, I'm shouting it now. I will never be held responsible. If possible, tell your client to stop using the payment method. They should accept payment through their either live chat or through WhatsApp. Anyhow, if possible, I'm shouting this thing that I will never be held responsible. This is the last one, and I'm going to warn. Go and do this thing. Make sure that app debug is true. App debug is false. .env has permission 600. Rekey. Do this rekeying that I have said now. Do this rekeying that I have said now, and don't use default logins. Don't use admin at admin.com or admin123. I will never be held responsible. I'm shouting it on top of my voices now. Go and do this thing. The link to download this thing is in the description below. You can go there and download it. go there and download this thing. This is, you should take this thing very serious. This thing is widespread now. It's happening. By next week, look at this news. It's barely 24 hours. April 30th. It's barely 24 hours. By next week, it's going to go get crazy. Many say panel will be attacked, and many wallet and payment pages will be changed. Go and do this thing if possible. Especially those that use Hostinger. There's another issue in Hostinger. If you are using Hostinger, don't host your, the major targets here are investment scripts. The major target are investment scripts. Don't host your investment script together with scripts like all these scripts that when you visit them, we have .php in their link. Don't list it together. Don't host it together with script like GoCoder, because GoCoder has many people are using it, so it exposed, like it has been exposed. Any script that many people are using, there's a lot of exposure. The only thing that will save you in most of my script is if you rekey. If you rekey, you can highly be exposed, even though if these hackers change your what's it called, it will not affect others. So go and do this thing I'm saying now. There is no backdoor. Remedy doesn't add backdoor to his script. This thing I'm standing at the top of warning. Someone will come and start. What the only thing I'll tell you is sorry, and I will never be held responsible in any way. I'm washing out my hand in anything that concerns, let's say, wallet change or payment page change. This thing, you need to go and do this thing now and tell your this thing to be very vigilant. Thank you, God. Thank you, guys.